Hey guys, welcome back. If you're new, thanks for stopping in. My name is Jessica. I'm a mother of four, and on my channel I do a lot of cleaning motivation, and here soon, once the weather starts getting nicer, then we'll be doing some projects around the house, hoping to paint the kitchen cabinets, at least the upper ones, within the next couple of months. And then we're going to be starting a garden that I'm super excited about. And I need to figure out how to can like salsa, and I want to make jelly and just things that I can keep in the pantry cupboards for months to come. And it will save me a little bit on groceries. I know we're not going to be able to save a whole bunch on groceries, but any little bit helps. In this video, I'm doing a lot of cleaning because we had a sickness run through our house. My older daughter, who just turned 10 yesterday, she had it probably the worst, I would say, just because her fever would not go away for 4 days, 5 days. It was absolutely horrible. I felt so bad for her. But thankfully it's gone now. She finally went back to school today, even though spring break starts on Wednesday. But let me know when your guys' spring break starts, and if you guys have any plans. I want to do a day trip to the beach. We don't, of course, have a whole bunch of money, so that is one cheaper trip that I promised my girls that we could take. We'll just pack a lunch and hang out on the beach for a few hours before heading home. And so hopefully that works out for us. But if you haven't already, please consider subscribing down below. It's absolutely free. It just lets you know when I upload another video. My goal for this year is to hit 1,000 subscribers. So I'm slowly but surely making my way there. So if you would, share it with your friends, and let's get started.
Gone over this 1,000 times before. Baby, it's now or never. Gotta leave this town, and I know what you're asking for. You say it's out of my reach, but I can't pretend no more. 'Cause for as long as I remember, it's been stuck inside my mind. lost outside of nowhere. A stormy rain tried to wash away the dream. Staff wanted says a worn outside, and the diner's name is California Dreams. Hey, for as long as I remember, it's been stuck inside my mind. You can't ask me to surrender when reaching for the dream keeps me alive. For as long as I remember, it's been stuck inside my mind. You can't ask me to surrender when reaching for the dream keeps me alive. Keeps me alive. For as long as I remember.
So here, as you can see, I'm just using the vacuum to go around and get the big chunks of fur. If you're new here, I have 2 dogs and then 2 indoor cats and 1 outdoor. But there is constantly fur everywhere. It goes under the tables and clumps up, and I do have the robot vacuum, which I'm trying to get in the habit of having that go around every day, but it does not always happen. And so I like to go around and get the bigger clumps that are hiding from everything. And it doesn't always get done, but a little bit of progress every day, and eventually it'll get done. I still need to do my deep spring cleaning. I have done a little bit here and there, but it's very difficult for me to do a full day of cleaning unless I'm in the mood. But how often do you guys clean? Like, are there certain things that you do every day and then you just go through and do deep cleaning every once in a while? Or how do you guys do it at your house? Because I definitely try, but with me working full time and having kids and my husband who does the tidying up, which is absolutely amazing. I am so thankful for him. But I like doing all of the deep cleaning. And this weather that we've been having has not been the best. So if it's not nice, then I'm not super motivated. But today is the first day in a while that we've had nice weather. I actually have the windows open and I'm able to air out the house a little bit. And so it's nice because I actually put on my quote unquote workout clothes, even though I don't really work out. But I ordered some new tank tops that I am currently wearing, and I have my leggings on, and I got some new $20 shoes off of Amazon because my last ones gave me blisters, and then I have my rain boots, so I definitely needed those. So I'm feeling pretty good today. I sat outside in the sun for a little bit, played catch with the dogs, and just kind of been enjoying it. So I didn't do a whole lot, but it's all right. There's always going to be more days to do cleaning and whatnot. And especially since the kids are going to be home for spring break, we don't really have a whole lot of plans because we can't just go out and do something every single day. So I will be getting some spring cleaning done. I did end up buying 2 new ceiling lights, one for the area by the front door and then one for in the hallway that my husband did put in today, but I did not get video recording of it. I totally didn't even think about it, but I'm very happy with how they turned out because now the lights won't flicker when we have them on. So I'm pretty excited about that, and I'm hoping that the sunshine sticks around so that way I feel more motivated and happy and energized. And do you guys get the same way? I don't know if it's just me, but it's like when winter comes around, then I get in this depressed, not really depressed, but just non-motivated stage, and I absolutely hate it. But let me know how you guys do it down below.
When you're alone and feeling down, and you're 10 feet underground, when you're so deep you're about to drown, when you're in the lost and found, 'cause heartaches only last a day. Ooh, but your heart will never fade away. Go out and find your way. Don't let them take your soul away. Not a week, not a single day. Hold true to what you wanna be. Never let go, and here's the key. Be you, yeah, only you, only you. Ooh. Be you, yeah, only you, only you. Sky meets the ground and draws a line. It's been true for the longest time. Just know that somewhere there's a sign. Either fate or the big sublime. 'Cause rainstorms always move away. Ooh. But you'll go till night turns into day. Go out and lead the way. Don't let them take your soul away. Not a week, not a single day. Hold true to what
I don't know if you guys have seen these or not. I've used it in my video way back when, which I need to use it a little bit more often, but it's an attachment piece that goes onto my vacuum hose and it reaches down into the dryer lint area, and it gets so much of the dryer lint. Like, I didn't realize how much was actually in there because we clean out the lint trap every single time that we do laundry, but just by pushing it down into this area, I could just hear a whole bunch of stuff getting sucked up, which is great. But the only thing that I don't like is if you hold it a certain way, then it will start whistling, like high-pitched whistling, and I absolutely hate it. But since I don't use it very often or for very long, then it doesn't bother me too bad, but it definitely is very noisy, but well worth the money that I spent on it. Let me know if you guys have one or have something like it, because I'm always worried that the dryer is going to catch my house on fire because of all of the lint. And I know that our lint trap blows into our wood room area, and so it's not a whole lot that gets stuck in the dryer, but it's definitely one of my worries that I have. And so here I just wanted to give the lint trap a good vacuum, and then I end up taking it to the sink and washing it off right here. But there's only about 5 to 7 minutes left of this video. I know it's a shorter one and I do apologize for that, but I just wanted to get another video out for you guys. But let me know what some of your spring cleaning things are that you have planned here soon, and I will cut my voiceover here short and then add some more music to it. But I just wanted to tell you that I appreciate you coming and watching my videos. And again, please consider subscribing down below. I appreciate you so much. And until next time, bye guys.
I kinda adore you, but don't get too proud. You're like my favorite snack, I won't say it out loud. I won't say you're perfect, we all know you're not. But hey, you're the best kind of way that I got. Your songs are in my head, it's on repeat. The awkward dance I do, but only on your street. I won't say you're perfect, we all know you're not. But hey, you're the best kind of weird that I got. I kinda adore you, but don't get too proud. You're like my favorite snack, I won't say it out loud. I won't say you're perfect, we all know you're not. But hey, you're the best kind of weird that I got. Your songs are in my head, it's on repeat. The awkward dance I do, but only on your street. I won't say you're perfect, we all know you're not. But hey, you're the best kind of weird that I got. In a world full of ordinary,
You're my playful dream, turning everyday moments into a sparkling sea. I won't say you're perfect, I won't say